Hello friends. In this video I will tell you about a very important dressing of garlic. You need to do it right now in May, when garlic is growing green mass, its stem thickens. Pay attention to my garlic. Its stem is already thicker than the index finger, which means that the harvest will also be large, and this is not the limit. This top dressing will increase the yield even more. And we will be talking about magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is a crystalline powder. In my case there is 10% magnesium and 13% sulfur. And why is it so useful for plants, especially now for garlic? The fact is that if you even did the top dressing that I told you about, fed with infusions of chicken manure, you gave a large amount of nitrogen, but garlic still does not break much, the tips of its leaves begin to turn yellow. Although it would seem that there is plenty of nitrogen, and the thing is that plants simply cannot absorb it, but magnesium sulfate will help to do it. Since sulfur improves the absorption of nitrogen by the plant, which means that by making this top dressing, your garlic will turn green again. And nitrogen, which in the soil will help to build up even more green mass and to build up a thicker stem. And magnesium is also necessary for photosynthesis, without which the development of plants is impossible. It is part of chlorophyll, which, in turn, in the process of absorbing solar energy, turns food elements into complex organics, starch and sugars. Magnesium also improves the absorption of phosphorus and calcium by plants. And this means an abundant buildup of the root system and the resistance of plants to temperature changes and diseases. To prepare the working solution, we will need 1 tablespoon without a slide. It approximately holds 1 ounce of magnesium sulfate. It is perfectly soluble in water at street temperature, and also in warm water. Therefore, prepare water for fertilizing in advance. Stir until completely dissolved, and water the garlic. In this concentration, the flow rate of the working solution should be 10 quarts per 2 square meters, and even before fertilizing, pour abundantly over the garlic bed, as I did. Let a little water soak in, at least a couple of hours, and then feed it. This will allow the top dressing of magnesium sulfate to penetrate to the deepest roots, and you will see the action in this way quickly. Since winter garlic is buried to a depth of about 3 inches. After making a surface top dressing, you will wait for a very long time for the result. For those who watch the video to the end, another secret, friends, this top dressing is absolutely suitable for all garden and vegetable crops. You can feed peppers, cucumbers, eggplants, tomatoes, currants, raspberries, fruit trees and shrubs, by diluting magnesium sulfate in the same proportion. Therefore, to whom the information from this video was useful, be sure to put a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.